Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thanks for coming to see this Destash. So I have some thank you cards here. If you're interested in this lot or any of the other lots, email me with the lot number in the subject line and let me know. And I'm using PayPal, but if you have another form of payment, we could work something out maybe. And if you're interested in more than one lot, we could do them together and maybe make out a deal between us. So, anyway, this is Lot D. There's 6 thank you cards. This one's $15. This is what the front of it looks like, and they're all like beach themed in the shape of a heart. So, you just fold them in half like that. They come with the matching envelopes. Here we are. And each one is a little bit different in the heart. That looks like New York City back there. Isn't that funny? There's some seashells and some more seashells. So there are 6 of them. And right now, where did I put the envelopes? Well, the envelopes are square white envelopes. So let's see how many different rhinestones we have here. Well, we'll see. There's orange, pink, a light pink, green, blue, clear, pink, some stars, some marquee shaped ones in iridescent and pink. So that is Lot D. And you know what to do.